are making a hoop coop. And this is how we transfer the hoop coop because we are in the direct sunlight. We cannot continue making the hoop coop.
You cannot continue to move it.
Yeah, because it's not. I told to my husband we need a Carabao. Then he acting like one of the Carabao.
Need a donkey to help.
What is the size of this hoop coop, love? Huh?
I don't know.
You forgot? It's become heavy.
It's big.
This hoop coop is made of a cattle panel and 2x4. But I forgot what size of this.
10 foot wide. Unless I tear it up, I have to make it smaller.
The other one hoop coop. What is the size of the other one hoop coop there at the other field?
It's 150 inches long.
That one, the small one over there?
No, this one.
No, the other one. What is it?
150 inches long. I'll call them something. I'll call them something.
You got something?
Yeah, I'm caught on something. It's not wanting to move. There's that blind rooster. This is too darn heavy. This is too much like work.
Don't worry. Next time when you drag it that towards to the other field, you can use already the van or the tractor.
I need some Filipino family members to help.
The tractor. And maybe that one we can already put wheels so it's easy to move. Because I cannot work in the direct sunlight, so my husband pushed the hoop coop towards here under the pecan tree. But to work for him, too much work for him, I mean, because of course he's a man.
I have 3 princesses that can't handle direct sunlight. A dog, a cow, and my wife.
Oh no, Margaret can handle the sunlight, no?
She don't like it for very long. She don't like it for very long.
Uh-huh.
Okay. You're gonna have to move that little dolly.
Yeah, sure where I'm going to put the dolly.
I just added away.
Hey, well, you put this.
Your husband's gonna end up hurt.
Wait, don't move. I will put first the dolly.
Your husband's gonna end up hurt.
Yeah, I don't need you go to the hospital, yeah? Just take it easy. I told you if you tie it that one, maybe you can drag it. Right?
Okay, move that.
That's enough already, love. That's okay. That's okay, that. At least it's not so much in a direct sunlight. Now he need the rest. I love you. You're pee.
What?
You're pee. The chair has a water. Maybe your I got that in a bit. It look like you pee. Look at your pants is not wet.
I guess. I don't feel it.
Alright. Love you make me smile. My head is palpitating. It's look like you pee. Aray, naku.
What's up, Tom Tom? Huh?
Said Tom Tom, I'm fine.
You doing good? Is that your hen? Huh? Yeah, I know, it's hot. It's humid.
Yeah.
Leave him alone.
Ay, that black Australorp, that one, she is mean to Mr. Tom. Now, we are going to put the, what do you call that, love?
Hog clips?
Huh?
Hog clips?
The hog clips. It is not too close.
I'm gonna cut it. And then there's gonna be wire go along here also. I don't think it's a good idea to have it looped around like this. So I'm gonna put a couple of clips in it to hold it in place, and then I'm gonna cut it right down there. And then when we put more wire on there, we'll put them both together.
Mm-hmm.
I hope.
This is the looks like the hog clips, like this.
Just cut a whole lot easier.
Am I, love?
Oh.
Can you look in am I in center?
Well, I wouldn't worry about putting it up there until we're ready to put the chicken wire up there.
Huh?
I mean, if you want to put 2 or 3 down through there to help hold it, and then we'll put some, come put one right here. So I can start cutting this. I just think that's better.
We put the cattle panel using, what is that again, love? The U-nails. Now we cover it with hardware.
Yeah.
Hardware cloth. It is.
Yeah. That's what
Here
I call it.
they call it here this kind of hardware cloth. But in my country they call it chicken wire. But here different the chicken wire. That is not, they call it. This is more sturdy. It's cutting the excess hardware cloth. And later we're going to continue to put the, what do you call that again? Hog clips.
You could probably go down these sides after I cut this stuff.
Huh?
You could probably go down these sides after I cut this stuff if you want to try.
Yeah. And you pee again.
If we could cut a hole in it, we could make it a toilet. Chicken wire.
You're gonna miss it. Okay. Perfect. One more direct, please. Okay. Huh?
Let me get my potty chair.
You forgot your potty chair. I thought, love, you're old enough to do a potty training. I forgot only to zoom that the first one. Eh. I forgot my gloves.
You're gonna miss it. No, I know it.
Just keep the video rolling so that you got something to make some money on if I swallow them and you have to rush me to the hospital.
Oh, you pee.
I'm like a 13-year-old child with you in that. Like a 13-year-old child with you in that. Like the fart sound.
No more?
Yeah, I need some more. No, all that.
You put that in the lower part, love. Here.
It's hard to do them both like that. I'm done.
You're done? Okay.
Yes, we'll go down the top of that one over there.
Yeah, this one not yet.
Give me a couple. I don't know if we want to bend it around or just secure it like that.
This is, guys, this is the chicken wire. This is the chicken wire. 1 inch. It is 1 inch, love, the size.
Yeah.
Oh, it's full. And the bottom hardware cloth. I will hold over there. I need this. The reason why we choose to put the hardware cloth here is to prevent the baby chicks to get out. That is why. And after this, we will put tarp so there is a security of the rain. They did not they will not get wet. That's why we look for that where we can buy, where we can bought, so we can secure the hardware cloth and the chicken wire to the hog panel. Because before, the first one, our, what you call that, our hoop coop, the first one, our hoop coop, we use only sipukai, pull ties, to secure the chicken wire to the cattle panel. I'm standing in 2x4. husband said, this is what happened if the person is short. But
Try to go around it like that.
really, Rabo, for all many places, you decide to make your there's place over there, all behind the storage. They're inside.
You know it's inside. You let go of the chicken more.
It's alright.
Yeah. And I'll put that one in. And I'll go back to what I'm doing. I'll cut the chicken more. And I'll put it back down through here.
So I cannot continue to put the hard food. Let it go, let it go.
And then we'll be able to get some more. That's all right.
My Philippine viewers, this is the U-nail. I don't know if you have that U-nail.
Work off around the bottom for baby chicks.
Yeah, that is what I said, right?
Oh, is it? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Leave it up to me to be behind on the narration.
Yeah, that is.
We need lots of work to make our videos interesting and informative.
Because if we will not put the hardware cloth at the early age of our chicks, they become free range. And somebody gonna eat them.
Alright, bring me one.
So we are in another side.
You might as well just wait. I'll give you unroll. And you place it up there.
Intermission. You will cut it right now or later?
I'll put a couple of clips in it and that'll cut it.
ito, white cinnamon na rooster. Okay, you got it. Got it. What's wrong, Rabo?
Looks like I might have to come back and squeeze it together. We're going to